In 1940, there was road construction going on in England. The villagers would release a donkey and lay the road where the donkey walked. An American engineer passing by saw this and got curious. He went up to them and asked,
"Hello, what are you doing here?"
The villager replied.
"We are building a road."
The engineer continued.
"What's with the donkey?"
The villager explained the general procedure, saying that the donkey decided where the road should go. The American engineer laughed hysterically and said in a mocking tone,
"So what do you do when you can't find a donkey?"
The villager replied,
Then we bring an engineer from America.